Hello and welcome to another episode of my moving series. I'm so happy to have you here. In this video, we've got a lot of new home updates to cover. I'm currently on my balcony. The view is amazing. Let's jump right into it. To fill the gap from the last video until now, I'll tell you that I've been spending a lot of my time sitting on this singular chair watching TV on the floor, specifically the Kardashians, and I've been honestly having a blast. I did a trip to IKEA to pick up some things that I had been missing, and one of them being this Alex 9 drawer. Now, my dad is being, again, a king, helping me build all these things. I always get comments saying that, like, he's doing all the work, but I mean, honestly, he does not mind helping me, and I could not be more appreciative. Okay, the dresser is finally finished. This is the Alex 9 drawer. There's so many different compartments here, so it'll be really good for storing all my stuff, and I'm gonna keep this in the office. I also unboxed some more packages that I got from Urban Outfitters, such as some of these books, but I'll show them a little bit in depth later, and this cutie little Zodiac ashtray. Then the movers came over this day. This is a special delivery from Sunday's Furniture. Okay, the movers just left. I'm so excited. I've gotten to that age where a dining room table is exciting for me, and there's no shame about it. I'm so excited. Everything is slowly coming together. Let me show you the furniture that the movers just brought in. Look at my beautiful dining room table. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This is like a super hard wood. I'll have this for life, I feel like. And these chairs are also super cute. I saw so many stores have these types of chairs, so I feel like they're definitely trending right now. I did think that they were gonna come with a little cushion, and they didn't, so I'm gonna have to buy that. I think like a furry one would look super cute, but at the same time, don't know if that's the vibe for summer, but definitely for winter. The table is super large. I could definitely get 2 more chairs for the ends when guests come over, but for now, 4 will do. It's got this little slit down the middle, very fun. I feel like it doesn't even take up that much space. And then here's my cutie little dining room table. Now, I haven't perfected, obviously, what's gonna go on top. It is just the same material as the dining room chair. Also, my dad set up my TV this morning. I also don't have a TV console right now. I bought this chess set from Etsy, and I thought that it was just gonna look super cool on my coffee table. I actually used to play chess when I was younger all the time with my brother. We used to have a Simpsons chessboard, and so I was like, you know what, it'll be wholesome. Like, I want to have my house just very accessible to hobbies and games, so that, you know, when I have people over, we can just like do stuff and not just like be on our phones. And there's no excuse. But yeah, I know when I got it, my friends were like, you know how to play chess? And I was like, guys, do I seem like someone that wouldn't know how to play chess? And honestly, probably, but I do know how. So I guess the goal now is to be good at it. Look how cute it is. I feel like it adds some spice, some uniqueness to the home, and I think it's adorable. I'll also show you some other home things that I bought from IKEA that I haven't had a chance to put them up yet, but I'll show you what I got. I literally have so many decorative items. First of all, it is these pink little pots from IKEA. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these inside or on my balcony patio, but they're super cute. They're just pink. Honestly, they might look good inside. I might like get a little like hanging shelf, like wall shelf, and then have these like plants hanging from them. I don't know. I also need to go plant shopping. That'll be a super fun video in itself. Also, I got this cute little like, are you kidding me? Then I have super cool small business items from this place called Sienna Studios. I've talked about them. They made me this like little trinket tray that I've been using in my kitchen, but they also made me little knickknacks, and oh my god, am I excited. I'll have all their information on the screen and in the description box below. They're a small business, so definitely go support them. They're these little coasters. They're so cute. They're made out of like ceramics, and they're painted blue, and they've got this little cork board on the back, and it says their logo, which is just Sienna Studios. Also, guys, I did press on nails last night, and one of them already popped off. Don't mind that, but they're so cute. They're these little funky shapes, and I think actually this I'm going to add on to my coffee table. And then they also sent me this, what even is this? I don't even know. It's this like weird like clay figure. I'm thinking I'm going to have a bookshelf here where this mirror is, and once I have the bookshelf, I'm just gonna like cover it full of like knickknacks and vases and glass trinkets that I have. Like, I just have so many things, and I want to like put a bunch of books on there, and this is gonna be like a book stopper. I definitely think some inspiration for my apartment is just that I want to have really unique furniture and decorations. Like, I want people to come into my home and be like, wait, let me take a look for myself. I just want to look at everything you have because everything looks so cool. Like, that's the goal. Like, look how cute right now. I'm obsessed with ceramic things, and that really just added to my aesthetic. I've moved a bunch of stuff that I have into this closet just because I don't know where else to put it. My dad actually finished building the Alex 9 drawer, and they brought in these 2 things that were from my home. Like, I had it in my filming room, and I had this little pink couch and this side table. Don't know if I'm going to use either of them, but you know what? They're here for now. We'll rearrange this when I do the office video. Comment down below if you guys want me to do like videos in between the moving series. Like, you know, I do a random morning routine even though I don't have my couch. Or should I wait until I do all the moving stuff, post all the moving videos, and then once it's like perfect, then I go start back on like doing like productive days in my life or this and that. Because I feel like the moving stuff is what's relevant right now. But at the same time, don't want y'all to forget about what I do. I've been here for like 2 weeks and I love it. Honestly, I feel like I should be sad, and I feel like, well, not that I should be, but I feel like it's expected for me to be sad, and I feel like I have comments being like, how are you adjusting to living on your own? And I'm like, guys, I'm not even sad. I saw my parents 3 times last week and twice this week. So it's like, I just feel like I'm on vacation. I feel like I'm having an extended sleepover where I still see my parents. And yeah, I've just been, I feel like so much freedom. Friends came over this past weekend and I had like a 3-day sleepover with them, which was super fun. I've just been cooking my own stuff, going to the gym. I feel like I've been so busy with work, editing, and honestly waking up with like not hearing anyone talking. It's just so peaceful. So honestly, I'm kind of living for this. If you guys are scared of living on your own or doing all that, I will say it is scary, but at the same time, it's just so fun. Excited. My friends are coming over today. It's not the official housewarming, but I did get my dining room table, so I feel like it's more of a place where they can actually sit down and we can have dinner. I've just spent hours, no, I'm kidding, like an hour, cleaning my whole apartment. Like, I've been running because they told me they were gonna be here in an hour and I was just finishing working out. So I literally did it all. I swept, I vacuumed, I mopped, I cleaned all the surfaces, I cleaned the bathrooms, I cleaned the toilets, I cleaned the mirrors, I did my dishes, I took the garbage down, I did my makeup, I got ready. I'm just wearing a white tank top and sweats, and I've got my little, this is just, it's starting to feel like a home, and this is so exciting. I'm so excited. Chantel is coming over today with Mila and Shaylee, and Mila and Shaylee have already seen my apartment. I didn't get Shaylee's reaction on camera, but when I tell you it was just as good as the other girls, she was like screaming. She was like, I love this, and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to get a noise complaint, but I'm also not complaining because I love you. Anyways, now Chantel's coming over. I think we're gonna make dinner, and I'm just so excited. I actually also brought in my Nintendo Switch from home, so we'll play games maybe, and Stranger Things came out today, so maybe we'll watch it. I'm just feeling real grateful today in my new apartment. Anyways, I'm so grateful. I love you guys. Hope you're doing well. They should be here any minute now, so they might even be hearing me. Like, they might be outside my door. Anyways, I'm gonna play some music so the vibe is right when they come in, and I'm gonna be like, eh. I love seeing my girls.
Hey guys! So we're making the aesthetic real. We're putting the cherry on top.
We're putting the candles in
The candelabra. The thing is, it's gonna be really awkward if I can't fit. I put the, ooh, it's a look at a little, no.
I was like, I wanted to put flowers in the middle, but I'm like, I'm kind of digging
No,
like
bonsai for sure.
Right?
Smile vacant for the picture.
Guacamole,
chicken wrap and chips and guac.
We just went
chips. Look at that.
ooh, they're like purple. Me and May got this like warm-upable food.
No,
Yeah.
tacos. I made it for mom.
Yeah.
Really intense.
Yeah. This is our first dinner.
Family dinner. I love you guys.
Why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you?
I'm a baker. I cleaned my hands.
That's giving me the ick.
Oh my god, this is like slopping.
Okay, well.
I feel like I'm playing with slime. Okay, this is horrible.
Ew!
This is what we're eating tonight.
It was so dry and now it is so oily.
Don't blame the player. Blame the game, game the play.
Look at that one. That's what I played with. What happened to it?
I got this big box in the mail and I was super excited because this was actually a mirror that I ordered from Etsy. It was this curvy mirror that I ordered. It was supposed to look like this, but when we opened it, we realized it was a little bit different than what I had ordered. As you can see, there's a gold strip going down the middle of the mirror, and the one that I had ordered was not supposed to have that. So I am currently talking to the seller and seeing if I can get a new one sent or like just a replacement. My parents also stayed this day to help build some more furniture that I had. One of them being this dresser that I'm actually putting in my closet just to have more storage, but you guys will see that in the closet renovation video. I also set up some new lamps that I got. This one is so cool. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like lit up in a minute, but I had been eyeing a lamp like this for a really long time. I got this from this place called Article. I had never heard of it before, but I really love the way it turned out. My mom was also so kind and she was helping clean up around the apartment, and then my dad also helped me build this little vanity that I have. It's pretty small since it's all that fits in my room, but I think it'll be great for doing my makeup. It's currently 10 p.m. I've got the vibes set up behind me, as you can see, but I just want to give you guys a little update on the apartment. There's all these like big pieces of furniture that still need to come in. I also still have my couch coming in, but it comes actually in like a week or something, so I'm really excited. This pink couch that I've been having in the meantime has been super comfortable. I wanted to go through kind of my Pinterest boards together and tell you guys what my inspo for this apartment is. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me like what my style is going to be for this apartment, because my last bedroom video that like went viral was very much like the Pinterest girl, very Danish aesthetic, very pastel aesthetic. And you know, when I tried to decorate my room, I never aimed towards a specific aesthetic. I just picked items that I liked and it ended up being like the very pastel aesthetic. And it's kind of the same vibe for my apartment. Like I don't have a set aesthetic. I'm just gonna pick out things that I like, and at the end, whatever it turns out as is like what it is. I do want to say though, it's stressing me out. I keep getting comments of people saying like, you copied this person copied you. This one girl got an apartment with floor to ceiling windows and people were commenting, she copied you, Fernanda. And I'm over here thinking like, for some reason everybody's moving out at the same time and people can only make things so differently, and at the end of the day everybody somewhat likes what's trending, so it's kind of impossible to not have a little bit of crossover between, you know, what somebody picks or what another person picks. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to disclaim that, because as someone that's creating content and it's like you're doing it for yourself, it's kind of stressful when like everyone's pointing fingers, but I don't even think the actual creators care about that kind of stuff because everyone's just doing their own thing and so busy. So yeah, that's the first thing. So I'm gonna tell you guys kind of what some of the pins that I have are. I made a private apartment board just so that I wouldn't like expose what I want, because I kind of want it to be like a little bit of a surprise. Let's go through my list. Maybe once the apartment is finished, I'll make this public so you guys can look at it for inspo. So as you can see, I have so many pins on here. Let's start with the bedroom board. My bedroom is only so big. It really only fits like a vanity and like my bed. Like it doesn't fit much else. I think this is the exact vanity that I bought. It's just small and I get to pick my own mirror and chair. I'm not exactly sure what the vibe is. I really like this one. I think this is Lainey's actually. She's another YouTuber if you guys know her. Like the gold mirror. I think I kind of like a circle shape, and I love that chair. That's super cute. I also like this, like having kind of this like wooden chair. Don't know if I want to keep like the wooden vibe continuous throughout my entire apartment, or I kind of want to switch it up and get like an acrylic chair. I also bought this ball from IKEA. I bought 2 of them, so I'm gonna like probably have those in my room. I also really like this night table. This is like super popular. I want all my big furniture to be like white, and then I can just go crazy with buying like little decorations and adding like so many plants and flowers and gold detailing. Then for the living room, I am actually getting a white couch. This is kind of like the setting that it looks like. It's like a white squishy cloud couch, and then I'm gonna get a white rug. I have a wooden coffee table, and I still need to buy a TV console, like something that goes under the TV. Not sure if I should make it white or clear. I feel like clear isn't that good of an option because there's cables under it. You can kind of see those ones. They need to be hidden. I also want to get like artwork. I feel like I'm kind of a little bit over like prints on the walls. Like I probably still will do that, but I feel like artwork a little bit more mature could be kind of the moment. I love how all these like books are set up together. I really love this like accent chair. It's like a wooden one. It's probably not that comfortable, but it looks cute. This is the type of TV console that I was talking about that would be like white, but I don't think you can hide cords very well there. This is another lamp that I really liked. It was like a little mushroom looking thing. I was also thinking about buying a clear acrylic table, but because I got a wooden one, that's why I got the wooden coffee table. And I was also thinking about buying a checkered rug, but I feel like I'll get sick of it really quickly, so I might do that for my bedroom. For my bathroom, you're gonna see it in an upcoming video. I have like a whole bathroom and laundry like room renovation type of vibe, and then the laundry inspo. I'm gonna do a shoe shelf, so I'm telling you that now. If anyone does these things, no one can come for me and be like, you copied them. I'm telling you guys, this has been in the works for a long time. And I really want to have a bar cart. I feel like that'd be super fun and get some like martinis and have girls night, like sangria night and like all this kind of stuff. I think that would be just super fun and like mature, like first apartment, legal in Canada era. And then for my balcony, I have 2 balconies. So if you guys want to give me some inspo in the comments of what you think I should do, please let me know. I was thinking about having like one of them be like a yoga little balcony, but I feel like it's not going to be enough privacy. Like people are just going to see me doing downwards dog on my balcony, which is kind of weird. But you can see here like having just a bunch of like string lights and very comfortable seating. I think in the summer is going to be awesome. And then my dining room, you can see that this was my inspo and I basically got the exact table that I wanted. If I had gotten a white table, this is the one that I would have gotten with like wooden chairs. I do need to get like little cushions for the seats because they're kind of hard. I feel like my workspace is going to look really like, this is what I want it to look like. This looks like very like gamer girl. I'm not a gamer girl, but that's kind of what I want it to look like. Just very studious, but not studious, very like workaholic. A productive space where I go in there and I feel inspired to sit for 12 hours and edit. I need to go buy some plants. I was gonna do that in this video, but I didn't have time. So next video. Just a very good work setup. Candles everywhere, artwork everywhere. I'm just so excited. Okay, you guys get the vision, okay? I'm really excited. I love living alone. Anyways, I'm gonna continue, watch TV, make myself some dinner. I've been having so much fun living alone, furnishing my first apartment, inviting my friends over whenever I want, attending workout classes, and making so much content. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok or Instagram, you definitely should. It's just Fernanda Ramirez with 2 A's in my last name. I've been posting so much on there recently, so much cooking, so much workout content that if you follow my YouTube for, you'll definitely see on the daily on my other socials. I hope you guys enjoyed this moving diaries of me just updating you on everything new that's happened and some new big packages that I have. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it so much. We're almost at 900K, which is literally insane. I don't even know how to process it, but thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. See you very shortly.